What is good? So, I got this bike a while back, and ever since I got it, I wanted to do a bike check on it. So today, is your bike check. Now I know it's not new or anything. I mean, it's a couple months old, but I mean, it's got scratches and everything. Looks like crap now, but that's because I used it. I put it in. That's a good thing. And honestly, I would rather do the bike check now because I'm used to the bike and I actually know what it is, you know, like I've gotten to ride it and test it out, and I honestly like it. So, let's get started.
First off, I got the ODI grips. They're very worn in. As you can see, the other one is missing the middle of the grip. But that's all good. I mean, it works. Then, bars. I got the Mafia Hitmain bars. I took the stickers off because I like the plain black. But yeah, I love these bars. They are the perfect height for me. I don't know, they add the frame is a 20.3, I think, or it's 20.4. But that's short, especially for me. I'm like 6 foot. But the bars add so much to that, and it makes it feel so much bigger, and I love it. I got the Primo Annihilator stem. I really love this stem. I had the V1 of it, and I loved it until I broke it. We got the Mafia Hitmain forks. I love these forks. They're 27 offset. I love it. It makes everything really responsive. Yeah, I got no complaints about it. They're really nice. Then going on from there, we'll go to the frame. Frame wise, obviously I got the Mafia here, I got the Mafia there, I got the Mafia frame too. Hitmain 20.4, in purple obviously, and I love it. The dimensions are great. Everyone always points out the bullet right there, which it's really dope. I love this frame. Alright, then cranks. I just got some old stock Eastern cranks. They're like nothing special. They're super worn out, and I've been riding them for a while. I'm getting new ones here soon, but saving up for them because I'm getting top notch. But yeah, for the sprocket, I got the S&M. I forget the name, but it's a really nice sprocket. Like, it's really durable. I've sprocket cased some big things. Like on one thing I was flip whipping, and my sprocket came down right on the wood ramp, which, you know, it's wood, yeah, but I've bent sprockets like that before, so, but it's held up. So yeah, S&M sprocket, 28 tooth. I love it. Then I got the DK pivotal seat. It's kind of trash, but I mean, the seat's good, but I mean, I tear it up. That's from Tail Whips. I catch the side of my seat a lot. But yeah. Alright, going to wheel sets. I just got a stock Eastern wheel with some splatter on the rim and on the hub and on the spokes. You can't really see it too good on the spokes, but it's there. Then I'm riding an Animal GLH tire. I don't know what size it is, but yeah. I used to ride well, obviously I still am, but I used to swear by GLHs, and they're still decent tires. Not really what I'd go if I was spending money on what I want right now. I probably wouldn't go for them, but they get the job done, and they are really nice tires, so I like no complaints. Then front wheel. I actually don't know what hub this is. I don't know, that company. I forgot. Female front rim. It's decent. It's not the best, but yeah. Front rim, I got Alienation black rim with the gold splatter on there. I think that really sets it off. Oh yeah, and pedals. I got VP components. I think they're racing pedals or downhill mountain bike pedals. They're really thin. Like, if you look at my finger compared to it, it's literally like less than the width of a finger. It's only like 4 fingers wide. But I really like it. It's really nice. They're super grippy, and you know, though they're small, you would think you would miss the pedals a lot or something, but no. They make it so much better. And they're light and nice. But yeah. So that's my setup right now. Shout out to Mafia. You know, a lot of people hate on Hitmain and all that he's done, but hey, I've been riding that frame, those bars and those forks for a while now, and I love them. I think just the whole setup of them is really nice. The frame design is really nice, and yeah, I really like it. So shout out to them. I know there's a lot of drama around that, but I mess with it. None of this is paid for. This is all my personal opinion from me riding it, and I ride this. I love this setup. I mean, if I could change anything right now, cranks and wheels, and obviously grips and seat. But yeah, besides that, everything else is prime. Like, I love it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just wanted to share my setup with you guys and see what you guys think. You know, comment down below what you guys think about it. What frames you guys ride, or what you want to ride, whatever. Let me know. Until next time, stay blessed. Go enjoy yourself today. Go have fun. Go do what you love to do. And, you know, don't be scared to do the things you don't always want to do, and the things you have to do, because, you know, you have to do them. But do what you want to do today. At some point, do something. I'm not saying just go blow your whole day off, you know, sleeping, if that's what you like to do, but just go do something you like, even if it's sleeping. Yeah, till next time, stay blessed.